Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If you use WhatsApp every single day like most people do, there's a good chance you've already seen the Meta AI button but never really paid attention to it. Most people think it's only for answering questions or helping with simple tasks, but honestly, the image features are where it gets really interesting. You can use Meta AI inside WhatsApp to create AI photos. You can edit pictures. You can remove objects from images, turn selfies into cartoons. You can generate group chat icons, improve status updates, translate text from photos, and even create custom video call backgrounds. And the best part is, you don't need extra apps because everything happens directly inside WhatsApp. So in this video, I'll show you how to create and edit photos with Meta AI on WhatsApp step by step. So first, let's open WhatsApp and look at the bottom right corner. You should see the colorful Meta AI icon. So tap it and it opens your Meta AI chat. Think of this like your personal AI workspace inside WhatsApp where you can ask Meta AI to generate images, edit photos, answer questions about pictures, and much more. There's also another way to access it. You can tap the search bar and type your request there. But for creating and editing images, using the dedicated Meta AI chat works much better. So let's start with one of the coolest features, AI image generation. So inside the Meta AI chat, type imagine me followed by whatever image you want to create. For example, imagine me on a beach during sunrise. Then Meta AI will generate multiple AI images based on your prompt. You can make it even more specific by adding details like add palm trees, make it look cinematic, or maybe you want something more fun like imagine me as an anime character, imagine me as a superhero, or imagine me in a futuristic city. The results can actually look really impressive. The first time you use this feature, WhatsApp may ask you to upload a few set of photos, so Meta AI can generate images that look more like you. But this is optional, and Meta AI won't access your photos unless you decide to upload them yourself. A lot of people are using these AI images for profile pictures, status posts, or even group chat icons. For example, you can generate a custom family group photo by typing something like create a cozy cartoon family portrait, or for a gaming group, you can say create a futuristic neon gaming logo. So it makes your chats feel way more personalized. Now let's move on to photo editing because this is probably the most useful feature. So instead of opening a separate editing apps, you can upload a picture directly into the Meta AI chat and simply describe what you want to change. For example, upload a selfie and say, remove the people in the background, remove the vehicles, improve the lighting, or you can say blur the background. And Meta AI will automatically edit the image for you. You can also get creative with it, so you can say add balloons and confetti, turn this into a comic book style, make this look like a movie poster, add Christmas decorations. You can change the background to a snowy mountain, something like that. And yes, it can even animate photos in some cases. You can ask Meta AI to animate an image and then share it directly to your status or chats. What makes this feature really convenient is that everything happens inside WhatsApp, so you don't need to switch apps, export files, or learn complicated editing tools. You just upload the image, type what you want, and Meta AI handles the rest. Another underrated feature is using Meta AI to understand photos. You can upload an image and ask questions about it. For example, if someone sends you a photo of glasses, you can ask, what type of glasses are these? If you're traveling and take a picture of a menu in another language, you can upload it and say, translate this menu or show me the vegan options. You can even upload food photos and ask, how do I cook this? Then Meta AI can sometimes give you a recipe based on the image. Now let's talk about customization features because WhatsApp also added AI tools for video calls, chat themes, and status updates. Now during a video call, tap the magic wand icon and choose Create with AI under Backgrounds. Then describe the background you want. For example, a cozy room with plants, a beach with sunset waves, and a modern office setup. WhatsApp generates multiple AI backgrounds that you can use instantly during your call. You can also customize chat themes using AI. So open a chat, then tap chat theme, then choose create with AI. So describe the style you want, like tropical island theme, minimal aesthetic design, or futuristic neon colors. And WhatsApp redesigns the chat theme based on your prompt. You can even create AI images for your WhatsApp status. So tap add status, choose AI images, then describe what you want. For example, weekend vacation vibe, rainy coffee shop static, something like that. So overall, Meta AI inside WhatsApp is much more powerful than most people realize. So you can create AI photos, edit images, remove backgrounds, customize video calls, improve your status updates, etc., all without leaving WhatsApp. And that's basically how you can create and edit photos with Meta AI on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Vidatia, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads, Vidatia crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Vidatia handle the rest. Vidatia gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Vidatia now. Just go to getvidatia.in.